So a while back, I made a video on me buying the spoiler for my Honda Civic 2024 11th Gen Hatchback, and whoa, it's time to show you the results. So with that being said, I ain't never really done a video me of installing a part ever, really. Like, I've never once ever made a video, so this is just me really just showing you. I was explaining to my girlfriend how nervous I was trying to put this on and everything, but yeah, this is pretty much it, how it's looking so far. And I'll let the audio from the video play a little bit, and yeah. Holy shit. It's fucking wild.
Okay, let's see what the fuck it's gonna look like.
Pretty much just gonna lay right there. Get that side view. So here on these next slides, I am going to be showing you where exactly I put the tape. So I put the tape on the edges right here on the bottom that goes on the arclet, and then on top I hit it on a little bit of that little side. And basically I'm gonna be peeling this off. The way you want to do this is peel it off basically like if you were peeling on visors, you know what I'm saying, slowly just pushing down on it and, you know, flushing it as you go. But you don't want to, you know, flush it before you even rip the tape off. You want to make sure you get it all the way off. That's where I messed up. I was going a little too quick and I ended up ripping it off, and that's how I ended up messing up. However, though, I did hit this tape with the heat gun. I'll show you a little clip right here. Shit, right now. Just gotta use that heat gun. I'm gonna put this down. I don't want that shit. But warm that shit up. Heat shrink that shit down. Type shit. Now onto the other side. That's it. You know, recording this. And here's pretty much the final product. I'm showing you different angles, and then at the end I have a comparison picture with a different Honda. I didn't take multiple pictures, granted, because I was out in public, but yeah, you could definitely see a little bit of the difference between the spoilers and then without the spoiler. And I like it. It's a subtle little look, but to me, I think it's fucking dope. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch y'all boys in the next one. I love y'all. We're gonna get a fucking intake next. Peace, God.